Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. This time around, it's all about the new technology that agriculture is coming right now. All right, as you can see behind me here, all these pipes, yeah, hydroponics, yeah. All right, my viewers, if you're new to the channel, my name is Everton, and this time around I'm gonna tell you all about hydro farming. All right, my viewers, so as you can see, so stick around, don't move your dial, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Okay, stick around, don't touch that dial. As you can see, my viewers, all these pipes, yeah, it's all about hydro farming, yeah, where you grow vegetables in water. All right, so at this time, yeah, it's a gentleman here working to get this stand up and running for planting. Okay, my viewers, so without no delay, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you give us your name and what you're doing, sir?
I'm Jevon Jones, owner and operator of JJ Agricultural Services, and today we are finishing up an hydroponic system. And this system is a 2,000 plant unit hydroponic system. Hydroponics is simply growing plants using water and not soil. So that's what hydroponics is simply is. So we are finishing up a 2,000 plant unit hydroponic system here in Clarkstown, Trelawney.
Okay, I can see. So the vegetable is gonna grow without soil.
Without soil.
Yeah. So what's inside the water?
So inside the water we have plant nutrients.
Okay.
Right. So the plant nutrients will be mixed in the water. It will be set up on a stanchion up by the top, gravity fed down into the system. Inside this hole we're gonna have a runoff tank. So all the water that runs through this will go here. Then it will be pumped back to the gravity fed tank up top.
Okay.
Then it will be microtube fed into the system and so on. So it will be strictly water and plant nutrients and so on. You know, plants need 3 macronutrients: nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. And so we'll be having those in liquid formula, and so also with some micronutrients and so on that will be fed here. In this system we're going to accommodate 2 types of lettuce. You got the mixed lettuce and the romaine lettuce and the iceberg lettuce that will be planted in this system and so on. And that will take between 35 to 40 days duration from planting to reaping.
Okay. All right, my viewers, you hear that? You hear the man? All right. That is a lot of information. So, like someone trying to get in touch with you, how they can get in touch with you?
All right. I'm on Instagram at JJ Agriculturist. I'm Instagram, and my telephone number is 876-355-6126, 816-6722, and I'm Jevon Jones. You can link me up on Facebook also at JEVON JONES. Thank you. And I work island wide, all over Jamaica.
All
and
over
if you can
Jamaica.
book me overseas, fine.
Okay. You hear that, my viewers? He's ready for any job.
It's all about, as my mother said, from mind to land. You conceptualize it and we put it on the land.
Okay. All right, my viewers, as you can see, yes, my viewers, as you can see, the hydro farming. Yeah, hydro farming. So the vegetable take the same time as it would take in the ground to come.
Sometimes shorter.
Oh.
Most time it is shorter, and so on. Most time it is shorter because bearing in mind you're not fighting with any soil.
Yes.
And weed and all of that. So it does take a little shorter time span in the hydroponic system than in open field farming. And
Okay.
so on. The most you also think about is infestation of pests and disease, which there are chemicals on the market that can easily eradicate that if there's an infestation.
Oh, understand. So what you're trying to say, you don't have to have a acre of land to do farming.
You don't have to.
You just need a little
A
space.
small space can give you a large system, because here is just 100 feet in length,
Yeah.
100 feet in length, and the width is little over 5 feet in width, and this accommodate 2,000 plants.
What?
2,000 plants this system accommodate.
Yeah.
And you have this for years. Once you maintain this properly, you have this for years, and so on. So with hydroponics, it's a great initiative,
technology.
great technology in
Right.
agriculture.
Yes.
It's a new era in agriculture. Gone are the days when you bother with fork and hoe and so on. Tap into the new initiative, tap into the new ideas, new concepts that we can bring Jamaica agriculture product to a different level and so on, by innovating technology into our agricultural landscape. And this is great.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Mr. Jones. You hear the man, my viewers. Yes, Mr. Jones is the mechanical man behind all these stand here. Yeah, for the hydroponics. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, all those holes. Yeah, it is space for planting sucker. It's gonna be lettuce, 2,000 lettuce sucker is gonna be here on this stand here, as you can see, my viewers. Yeah, it's all about farming. It's all about hydro farming. No more in the soil. You don't have to weed. Yeah, as you can see, there's a line there. Yeah, the pump is gonna pump the water back up here. Yeah, the 1/2 inch pipe, it's gonna come from down the bottom down there. It's gonna come back up here, go back through these black holes back into the pipe to feed, to give the plants nutrient and water. All right, my viewers. So yes, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video coming out on the channel. All right, so yes, it's a new technology. Yeah, hydroponics. All right, my people, it's all about farming. So as you can see, there's some plow up soil over here for more farming also. Yeah, so there's gonna be some planting over here very soon. Round the corner there's some cabbage plant already. So inside the greenhouse, there's a greenhouse over here. We have pepper. I have some pepper over there. All right. So yes, my viewers, it's all about hydro farming. All right, my viewers. So yes, my viewers, it's all about hydro farming. So yeah, Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
there's gonna be a tank inside here.
Yes, there's going to be a runoff tank here.
Okay.
And then you're going to have a connection from this system to the tank.
Okay.
All the mixtures that runs through this will go into your runoff tank. Then there will be a pump, a submergible pump inside the tank that will extract the mixture, send it back to the main tank up top up there.
Okay.
And then it will be gravity fed into the system by virtue of those microtubes that you see connect up by the head
Yeah.
of the system.
Yeah.
So all your nutrients will be mixed. You test your pH and your EC. There you have a pH meter and an EC meter. You test your pH and your EC levels, and then it's gravity fed and so on. What that does, it basically give the plants the feeling like it's in soil, but it's actually water.
Water.
And so on. They're getting the same nutrients that they get out of the soil, but it's through water.
Okay.
And it's really, really good. And it's just something that everybody who interested in a new area in agriculture can tap into.
Yeah.
And
For
so
real.
can tap into. And the financial benefit of hydroponics farming, it's great, it's marvelous. And trust me, it's just something that I would encourage every single farmer who is interested in tapping into the new era of agriculture. Tap into
Yeah.
hydroponics and you will never regret it. And so on. With proper knowledge. And so on. This is what we do. We provide you with the know-how.
Yeah.
And so on. You get a manual how you must operate and maintain your system, the different nutrients, the different chemicals they use if there's a pest and disease infestation, and so on, what you use to eradicate it and all that. And it's just good. And our seedlings are top of the line, and so we get seedlings from some of the best nurseries in Jamaica to put into a hydroponic system. So it's really, really good, and I do employ everybody, give it a try and you will not regret it. Small land space, large land space, anyhow you want it. You want a small system on top of your roof, behind your house, come on, just give us a call. We design it and we install it.
Okay.
Great.
So how long you have been setting up all these racks here?
I've been setting up this for the past 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been doing hydroponics for the past 3 years, but I've been in agriculture for the past decade. Yeah,
Okay.
I've been doing agriculture, greenhouse, irrigation, farm plans, farm inspections. I've been doing all that for the past 10 years and so on. So it's really, really good. Agriculture is good. Agriculture can never die and so on. It can never grow old because once there's a people, it has to have agriculture to feed the people. And so Jamaica agriculture product, we have come a far way and we still have a far way to go, but by steady strive we can make it, and with the necessary investment needed, then we can take Jamaica agriculture product to a different level and so on. You see all what is happening in the world. Agriculture is the backbone of any productive nation.
Okay, Mr. Jones. So give us back your contact and
All right, so if you want to reach me, I'm on Instagram, JJ Agriculturist. That's my Instagram page. You can find me on Facebook at Jevon Jones, and for direct contact is 876-355-6126, 816-6722. And you can call me not 24 hours a day because I remember I got to get some rest, but I'm available anytime for consultation, you name it, farm inspection, farm visit, farm plans. You book me up and we can talk.
okay, Mr. Jones. All right. Thank you very much for your
You're
time,
most
Mr.
welcome.
Jones.
Thanks, man.
All right. Okay, my viewers, you're here, Mr. Jones. All right. So I'm gonna put all those links up on screen so that you can see what's going on. All right, my viewers. So yes, don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, Jamaican Farmers Hut. So yes, my name is Everton, and peace. I'm out. Thank you for watching, guys.